Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to simplify this trig expression. In this example, we can see that we have a cosine x common to both terms. So we can pull that out. We'll factor out a cosine x from each term, and we're left with a cosine squared x plus sine squared x. We know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So this simplifies to just cosine x.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.